It's been 2 months since former Deputy President David Mabuza's death, and a legal battle is now unfolding at the Mpumalanga High Court over his 44 million rand pension payout. Applicants Emunah Silinda and her daughter Nonhlahla Silinda are seeking urgent relief from the court to secure financial support and official recognition as dependents of David Mabuza. They're contesting the nomination of Nonhlahla Patience Mnisi, the first respondent, as the sole beneficiary of Mabuza's 44 million rand living annuity managed by Alexandra Forbes Financial Services, the second respondent. While Mnisi claims to be Mabuza's lawful wife, having obtained a marriage certificate after his death, the mother and daughter argue that a valid marriage cannot be recognized posthumously, directly challenging the legitimacy of Mnisi's certificate.
Unfortunately, the court does not have any say in administering the pension fund. However, the court can just make an order which says, Alexander Forbes, you must not pay now up until the trustees of Alexander Forbes has made their investigations and they can decide as to who must benefit.
Within the pension fund, it depends on those internal rules, and when it comes to the rest of the estate, then the rules are completely different. Even though they are completely different, the definition of a spouse has been extended. So I can marry someone customarily, not register the marriage. However, when I've died and the person can prove that there were lobolas that were in place, negotiations took place, there was celebration. Whenever there was a umcimbi within my home, they would come and visit and be regarded as a wife. Then they qualify automatically, even though that registration is not taken place.
The mother and daughter further contend that Emunah's 1999 marriage to Mabuza, conducted under customary law, should be recognized. They assert the union was valid and, most importantly, was never dissolved.
If there was no lobola, let them. But if she can come and bring witnesses to say the two families negotiated, they came to terms and conditions, the bride's price, the lobola, was actually handed over to Tamara's family. She was then taken to David Mabuza's family in accordance with the customs and the practice of their communities. Then you would say it was valid, although they might not have recorded it.
Nonhlahla Silinda, a first-year medical student at the University of Cape Town, is seeking urgent interim financial relief to cover her educational expenses amounting to over 127,000 rand a year, as well as her monthly living costs.
If they can prove, rather, that she is the daughter of the Deputy President, too, that the former Deputy President has been maintaining her. So her application might succeed, and she might get benefit from the estate of the former Deputy President.
The matter is being heard at the High Court in Mpumalanga on Tuesday. Aviwe Mtila, Johannesburg.